The man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students will be back in court tomorrow as prosecutors seek the death penalty against him. Thanks for joining us. I'm Joyce Taylor.
I'm Greg Copeland. Bryan Kohberger's October trial could now be pushed back. King 5's Madison Wade joins us now with how this decision will affect the timeline. Madison.
Well, Greg, it definitely will. As a community struck by tragedy tries to heal and move forward, justice for the 4 victims remains the focus. The man suspected of killing 4 friends, 4 college students, could be sentenced to die in an Idaho state prison. But this new development is expected to add much more time to the trial, and here's why. Words from the family of Kaylee Gonsalves Monday following the news that Latah County prosecutor Bill Thompson intends to seek the death penalty for the man accused of killing Kaylee and 3 other students.
So it was, I think, both expected given the nature of the offense as well as the national publicity and what appeared to be the wishes of the victims, or at least some of the victims' families, that the state would seek the death penalty.
For the death penalty to be a possibility, prosecutors must prove that multiple murders were committed, that it was especially heinous or showed exceptional depravity, that it was committed during another crime like burglary, and that the defendant showed utter disregard for human life.
Even if the jury believes that Kohberger is guilty, the defense attorney would still have an opportunity both to challenge the aggravating factors that the state intends to prove, as well as to present mitigating evidence as to why this particular defendant should not be put to death.
Meaning the jury could find Kohberger guilty, but not sentence him to death. In that case, he would be sentenced to life in prison. Idaho has not executed someone in over a decade.
So it's actually pretty rare to see a death penalty case in Idaho, or at least to see one that actually ends in execution.
This new development could push the start of the trial back to give both sides longer to prepare and is expected to make the trial longer. Kohberger is due back in court tomorrow for a hearing his lawyers hope will put a pause on his case. He is expected to fight his grand jury indictment. We will bring you any new updates from the courtroom tomorrow, guys.